Hey everyone, welcome to the first structured SEO course prepared by Digital Mad Lad. SEO is fluid and responsive, which means you can see visible results as soon as you implement your SEO techniques. It is the easiest way of acquiring targeted organic traffic and turning your website visitors into lifelong customers. If you are looking to grow your business without wasting any money on paid SEO courses or expensive SEO tools, this course is just what you need. Search engine optimization can make or break your website. How your website performs on different search engines will depend exclusively on how you implement your SEO strategy. The better you optimize your website and content, the better results you'll get from Google and other search engines. But SEO is not just about optimizing your website for search engines. It is also about providing better user experience and understanding traffic trend. SEO is essential for any online business as it will increase your website authority and your brand value online. Which position your content will rank on search results will depend mostly on keyword difficulty and your website authority. For most authority websites, changes in search ranking usually takes place within 3 to 4 weeks of content optimization. But sometimes it can even take months before you see any changes in your search ranking. This might happen when you're working on a competitive niche or you're working with a brand new domain. SEO is an ongoing process, which means you need to keep working on it as the market and competition are constantly changing and evolving. In this course, you're going to learn about native SEO for blogs, online news portals, and most importantly, niche websites that require instant indexing. We will discuss all the fundamentals of native SEO and try to understand the whole process through phased implementation. Furthermore, we're going to look into how you can increase your domain authority and URL rating for your website through link building. We will briefly discuss the types of SEO and the best approach for search engine optimization. Through this course, you can understand how SEO can affect your online presence and why do you need SEO for your business, online or offline. We will also try to understand search intent and how you can manipulate search engines to rank high in search results through proper keyword research and content optimization. Even though many SEO specialists might argue with this, but brainstorming keyword is probably not the right way to do keyword research. We're going to find keywords via my unique competitor research strategy, which will help you find the right keywords in your niche and you can eventually rank on the front page of Google using those keywords. There are a lot of other SEO aspects that we'll cover in this course, which includes competitor research, keyword research, content optimization, on-page SEO, technical SEO, link building through schema, creating linkbait, link building through shared content submission, SEO for digital marketing, and much more. If you're familiar with SEO, you probably have already heard most of these terms. These are the most commonly used SEO practices in the industry. Aside from that, we'll also go through some unorthodox SEO techniques that can help you rank much faster and streamline the whole process. And lastly, we'll focus on some black hat SEO techniques that might impact your website negatively and even get you blacklisted from search engines. Now you might be wondering why we're concentrating on black hat SEO. Well, let me explain. When it comes to Google, there are over 200 ranking factors. While Google have talked about some core ranking factors, most of it is shrouded in mystery. While no one exactly knows how different SEO techniques influence Google search engine algorithm, sometimes unknowingly so, we implement some SEO techniques that don't work in our favor and instead backfire. Alternatively, your smart competitors can also set it off on your website by sending bot traffic or establishing a bad backlink profile for your website from blacklisted or spammy PBN sites. This can cause a dramatic Google ranking drop and sometimes even get your website blacklisted. If you see a sudden spike in your referral traffic or see an increase in low quality backlinks, you are probably targeted for negative SEO. And the worst part is, you won't even notice until it's too late. This is the reason it is important to know the black hat SEO techniques that can negatively impact your website. This will also help you prevent your website from any negative SEO attack. This course will give you a broad idea about native SEO and how you can implement those native SEO techniques on your website. In short, this course will help you create a sustainable framework that you can use to develop a common structure and implement it on your website over time. Even though it is a beginner's SEO course, don't get misled by the word beginner. This course will cover all the advanced SEO techniques that you will need for your niche website and to grow your business online. Websites like Huffington Post and BuzzFeed also use similar SEO techniques, and they don't use anything crazy technical or complicated. To get started with this course, you don't need any prior SEO knowledge or coding skills. We have put together this course in a way that will help you learn SEO from scratch. We'll talk about who this course is for and what you can expect from this course in the next section. If you find this video useful, make sure to give it a like. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment section below and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next video.